Apple has been secretly training all of us to use the Vision Pro for almost a decade, and I'm starting to realize that this is the Infinity Stone gauntlet of Apple products. Let me explain. Think about what you look like in 2007, because that is when Apple filed its first patent for this device, 4 years before Steve Jobs passed. And ever since, Apple's given us countless hints this is coming. First, Siri and HomePod, which trains us to control our computers by talking to them. This will be necessary when we don't have mice or keyboards like we're used to. Next up, Apple Watch. This got us used to wearing our devices, and there's even this pinch gesture you can use to answer calls and snooze alarms, and it's the same exact gesture we use in Vision Pro to control pretty much everything. And don't even get me started on AirPods, because there's two major clues here. First, spatial audio, which makes it feel like the sound is coming from all around you. And there's also adaptive audio, which will lower the volume or increase it based on what is going on around you. Both of these features are perfect for somebody stuck in a headset. Even the iPad, with the design of its apps given its screen size, fit perfectly into the floating window style we see in Vision Pro. We also have screen mirroring and universal clipboard, which makes connecting and using our Mac in Vision Pro super seamless. Touch ID evolved into Face ID, which evolved into Optic ID, which is used on the Vision Pro. Apple's also been diving into the world of entertainment, equipping themselves to provide crazy immersive experiences for movies, shows, sports, and music. And maybe this is all just a coincidence, but you have to admit it is pretty wild how much all of these features are coming together for one universal experience.